In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google AdSense from start to finish. AdSense tutorial. By the end, you'll have your site connected to AdSense, ads enabled, payments set up, and you'll know how to track performance with confidence. First, head to the Google AdSense website, click Get Started, sign in with your Google account, then enter your website URL and your country or region. Choose whether you want to receive email tips from Google and click Create Account. Make sure your site is live, accessible, and already has useful original content with clear navigation because that foundation helps with approval. Next, inside your AdSense dashboard, go to Sites, click Add Site, enter your website URL, and hit Save and Continue. AdSense will then provide a site verification code. You'll also see the auto ad script, which starts with a script tag that loads from Google syndication. This code needs to be placed in the head section of your site so AdSense can verify ownership and automatically place ads. If you're using Blogger, open your Blogger dashboard, go to Theme, choose Edit HTML, search for the head tag, paste the AdSense code right inside it, and click Save. If you're on WordPress, use a Headers and Footers plugin to insert the code in your site's head globally, or paste it into header.php just before the closing head tag. Back up your theme first or use a child theme if you're editing files directly, and be careful not to paste the code multiple times. Now go back to AdSense, open Sites, and click Request Review. Google's review can take a few days to 2 weeks. During this time, keep your site active, don't click your own ads, and avoid any policy violations. If you're disapproved, don't worry. Common reasons include insufficient or copied content, missing a privacy policy, and poor navigation. Strengthen your content with original articles, add essential pages like privacy policy, and improve menus and internal links, then reapply. Once approved, go to Ads, open by site, turn auto ads on, choose the ad formats you want, and save changes. Ads will start appearing automatically, though it may take a little time. You can refine placements later if needed. To get paid, open payments in AdSense. Add your personal or business information and your address, then add a bank account as your payment method. Google will mail a PIN to verify your address. Remember, the minimum payout is $100. Finally, monitor performance in reports. Keep an eye on page RPM, CPC, impressions, clicks, and earnings, and use these insights to optimize your content and layout while staying within AdSense policies. You're all set to start monetizing your site the right way.